Creating a Zen garden at home is an excellent way to bring tranquility and mindfulness to your space. Here's a concise guide. Materials and tools: shallow container or sand pit, fine sand or gravel, rake, small rocks or stones, miniature plants, incense or wind chimes. Steps: choose a location. Select a suitable spot in your garden, yard, or even indoors. Ensure it's a peaceful and quiet area. Prepare the base. Fill your shallow container with fine sand or gravel. Smooth it out evenly, creating a clean canvas. Position rocks. Place small rocks or stones strategically on the sand. Arrange them in a way that pleases your eye and evokes a sense of balance. Add plants. You can introduce miniature plants like bonsai trees, moss, or succulents to your Zen garden. Place them carefully amid the rocks and sand. Rake patterns. Use a wooden or bamboo rake to create patterns in the sand. The act of raking can be meditative, and the patterns can symbolize ripples in waters or waves in a sea. Personal touch. To enhance the Zen atmosphere, you can incorporate elements like incense or wind chimes nearby. Maintenance. Regularly rake the sand to maintain the patterns and remove any debris. Water the plants as needed. Enjoy mindfulness. Spend time in your Zen garden to meditate, reflect, or simply find peace and serenity.